Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA application cannot optimize game. So basically, if GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA app is unable to optimize games, you want to try reinstalling GeForce Experience, checking for and installing driver updates, verifying that the automatic optimization is enabled in setting, and there are no antivirus or firewall blocking the NVIDIA processes. Now, if this happened, you can just go ahead and navigate through your settings. And from here, you then want to make sure that the automatically optimized newly added games and apps is enabled. From there, you can then go ahead and navigate through your web browser, search for NVIDIA updates, and basically it will then take you to this page right here. So you then want to choose your graphics card. In my case, it's going to be the RTX 3060 Ti. Click on the find button, and then you want to look for the right driver for your specific graphics card. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.